How to delete wallpapers on iPhone. Have you ever considered removing a wallpaper from your iPhone for any reason? If so, today's guide will walk you through simple and effective steps to delete your wallpaper with ease. Let's get started.
First, open the Settings app and navigate to Wallpaper to check if a delete option is available. You'll notice that the Settings menu does not provide a direct delete option. Next, return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top left corner of the display to access the customization view. Press and hold the screen for a moment. Select the wallpaper you wish to remove. Swipe the wallpaper upward to reveal the delete option. Tap the delete icon. Confirm your action by selecting Delete this wallpaper. Congratulations! You have successfully deleted your wallpaper. Now you are free to add or set any wallpaper of your choice to personalize your iPhone.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.